Dear formulators, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to make a water-based paste with Allantoin for the treatment of uncomplicated diaper dermatitis. To make 200 grams of this paste, the final formulation would be 50 grams of zinc oxide, 50 grams of talc, 50 grams of glycerin, 0.6 grams of allantoin, and purified water sufficient quantity to make 200 grams. This would be the formula, as I said, to make 200 grams of this water-based paste with allantoin. Let's look at the characteristics of the active ingredients and excipients, and then we'll see the preparation method. Zinc oxide appears as a light white powder, being insoluble in water. It has a astringent, antiseptic, decongestant, and drying action. Talc appears as a very light white powder, being insoluble in water. It has decongestant and drying action. Allantoin appears as a light white powder, being moderately soluble in water. It has epithelializing and healing action. In acute phase dermatitis, it should be noted that allantoin after application may cause itching or transient stinging. It usually disappears within minutes, but it's important to know this aspect. Glycerin, acting as a binder, promotes the formation of a homogeneous paste between zinc oxide and talc. We are dealing with a water-soluble paste without fats. Glycerin also acts as an emollient. This water-based paste with allantoin is used as an astringent, antiseptic, decongestant, and drying agent in uncomplicated diaper dermatitis with fungal or bacterial infection, or also in bedridden patients who use diapers. Regarding the preparation method, 2 steps are described. Step 1. We mix zinc oxide, talc, and allantoin in a mortar. Step 2. We dissolve the glycerin in the purified water and add the obtained solution in small portions over the previous powder mixture, stirring until homogeneous. We will obtain a homogeneous white paste free of lumps with medium consistency. We can package it in an opaque polyethylene tube, for example, for cream. And it's essential to label it with shake before use, because the water-based paste tends to settle over time. And that's it for today's video. Thank you very much for your attention, and I remind you that you can subscribe to my channel to receive updates. Until the next video.